Common phrasal verbs with go. Listen and repeat. Go about. Go about. It means to deal with something. Examples: how should I go about telling her the bad news? I don't know how to go about this problem. Go across. Go across. It means to move to another side. Examples: he went across the street. I helped her go across the road. Go after. Go after. It means to chase. Examples: the cat went after the pigeon, but it flew away. Joe went after his girlfriend after a big fight. Go against. Go against. It means be opposite to. Examples: if the decision goes against me, I'll go bankrupt. The vote went against the government. Go under. Go under. It means to go bankrupt. Examples: many small shops are going under nowadays. The small company went under after a few months. Go along with. Go along with. It means agree with. Examples: it was easier to go along with her rather than arguing. I would be happy to go along with the idea. Go around. Go around. It means to circulate. Examples: a rumor is going around about the Attorney General. That stupid song kept going around in my head. Go at. Go at. It means attack or approach. Examples: she went at her dinner like she hadn't eaten for days. The two dogs went at each other. Go away. Go away. It means to leave or disappear. Examples: this drug should make the pain go away. I want to go away this weekend. Go back. Go back. Go back. It means return to. Examples: we went back to work after the break. I felt so sick, I just wanted to go back to bed. What time do you go back home from work? Go up. Go up. It means rise or climb. Examples: the price of petrol has gone up sharply. Unemployment in the country has gone up by 1 million. Go by. Go by. It means the passing of time. Examples: 10 years went by before we saw each other again. You will forget him as time goes by. Go down. Go down. It means to decrease. Examples: the price of scanners has gone down recently. Computers have gone down in price. Go with. Go with. It means be a good match. Examples: does this tie go with my shirt? Your shirt doesn't go with your pants. Go without. Go without. It means not to have something. Examples: I went without lunch today because I didn't have any time. It's possible to go without food for a few days. Go down with. Go down with. It means feel ill. Examples: she went down with a virus. I think I'm going down with something. Go for. Go for. It means to attack. Examples: the neighbor's dog went for the postman. The dog suddenly went for me. Go forth. Go forth. It means to leave a place. Examples: he went forth and found a wife in another city. After the big scandal, he had to go forth. Go on. Go on. It means to continue. Examples: he went on and on talking, and I was so bored. He went on working until he was 91. Go on about. Go on about. It means talk too much. Examples: he's always going on about his kids. She kept going on about her boss. Go on with. Go on with. It means continue doing. Examples: please go on with your work. I'm too tired to go on with it. Goes through. Goes through. It means to experience. Examples: you wouldn't believe what I've been through. I feel pity for her. She went through a lot last year. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.